Who is the father of computer? A. Alan Turing. B. Charles Babbage. C. Seymour Cray. D. Augusta Adaming. Answer. Option B. Charles Babbage. Who is the father of Internet? A. Charles Babbage. B. Vint Cerf. C. Dennis Reich. D. Martin Cooper. Answer. Option B. Vint Cerf. www stands for A. World Whole Web. B. Wide World Web. C. Web World Wide. D. World Wide Web. Answer. Option D. World Wide Web. Which technology is used in compact discs? A. Mechanical. B. Electrical. C. Electromagnetic. D. Laser. Answer. Option D. Laser. 1 gigabyte is equal to A. 1024 bits. B. 1032 megabytes. C. 1024 kilobytes. D. 1024 megabytes. Answer. Option D. 1024 megabytes. The brain of any computer system is A. ALU. B. Memory. C. CPU. D. Control unit. Answer. Option C. CPU. Which of the following are components of Central Processing Unit CPU? A. Arithmetic Logic Unit, mouse. B. Arithmetic Logic Unit, control unit. C. Arithmetic Logic Unit, integrated circuits. D. Control unit, monitor. Answer. Option B. Arithmetic Logic Unit, control unit. The computer that processes both analog and digital is called A. Analog computer. B. Digital computer. C. Hybrid computer. D. Mainframe computer. Answer. Option C. Hybrid computer. VGA is A. Video graphics array. B. Visual graphics array. C. Volatile graphics array. D. Video graphics adapter. Answer. Option A. Video graphics array. MSI stands for A. Medium scale integrated circuits. B. Medium system integrated circuits. C. Medium scale intelligent circuit. D. Medium system intelligent circuit. Answer. Option A. Medium scale integrated circuits. Is called the father of modern digital computer? A. Alan Turing. B. Blaise Pascal. C. Charles Babbage. D. J. H. Muller. Answer. Option A. Alan Turing. The first computers were programmed using A. Assembly language. B. Machine language. C. Source code. D. Object code. Answer. Option B. Machine language. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called A. Entry codes. B. Passwords. C. Security commands. D. Code words. Answer. Option B. Passwords. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? A. Printers. B. Speakers. C. Floppy disk drives. D. None of these. Answer. Option A. Printers. Which device is required for the internet connection? A. Joystick. B. modem. C. CD drive. D. NIC card. Answer. Option B. Modem. What is a light pen? A. A mechanical input device. B. Optical input device. C. Electronic input device. D. Optical output device. Answer. Option B. Optical input device. UNIVAC is A. Universal automatic computer. B. Universal array computer. C. Unique automatic computer. D. Unvalued automatic computer. Answer. Option A. Universal automatic computer. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk was A. 1.40 megabytes. B. 1.44 gigabytes. C. 1.40 gigabytes. D. 1.44 megabytes. Answer. Option D. 1.44 megabytes. CAD stands for A. Computer-aided design. B. Computer algorithm for design. C. Computer application in design. D. Computer analog design. Answer. Option A. Computer-aided design. Junk email is also called A. Spam. B. Spoof. C. Sniffer script. D. Spool. Answer. Option A. Spam. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the A. Compiler. B. Loader. C. Operating system. D. Assembler. Answer. Option C. Operating system. Which of the following is not anti-viruses software? A. Avira. B. Kaspersky. C. Oracle. D. McAfee. Answer. Option D. McAfee. What does DMA stand for? A. Distinct memory access. B. Direct memory access. C. Direct module access. D. Direct memory allocation. Answer. Option B. Direct memory access. Which of the following is a storage device? A. Tape. B. Hard disk. C. Floppy disk. D. All of the above. Answer. Option D. All of the above. Which of the following devices can be used to directly image printed text? A. OCR. B. OMR. C. MICR. D. All of above. Answer. Option A. OCR. The output quality of a printer is measured by A. Dot per inch. B. Dot per square inch. C. Dots printed per unit time. D. All of above. Answer. Option A. Dot per inch.